Go on then. Well, here we have a Mazda MX5 running in the Javelin Sprint Series. It's a competing track car. It's the 1.8, ain't it, Rich?
Yeah.
It is the 1.8. As you can see, it's on throttle bodies.
Yeah, on throttle bodies, a little bit of an engine build. Not anything internal, just a set of cams.
Yeah.
Generally throttle bodies on it. It previously had a good exhaust manifold on it. 2-inch prime, it's down a 2.25-inch collector, which I thought was nice. But it previously had a bit of a, for want of a better word, a bit of Mickey Mouse exhaust made for it. A 2-inch, in fact, exhaust made for it, which was very, very raspy and was actually putting you over the sound level on track.
Black flagged and stuff like that.
Well, not necessarily black flag, but on the static test he was over.
Right.
And they allowed him carry on as his first event in the series. We said get the exhaust sorted. We fitted a 2.5-inch system. We made sort of a custom system up for it. And that's given us today 13 brake horsepower, which is...
So 13 brake horsepower increase, just from going...
It was mapped on ME 442.
Yeah, we mapped it on ME 442, but we mapped it on a 2-inch system, didn't we?
Yeah, it was already mapped on the 2-inch system, and that gave us 167 brake. We advised that the exhaust we felt was a restriction at the time.
I think you've just proved that.
Yeah, but he wanted to, we were in a rush to get to the first race of the series, so we had to get it done and we hadn't got time to mess with the exhaust. So it did the first event, and it's come back to us. Oil leak, which we fixed this time round. What else did we do on it? Oh yeah, just the oil leaks and then the exhaust. And we've swapped it for a 2.5-inch exhaust, and that's basically gained us 13 brake. We've not changed anything on the map. We've just fitted the exhaust.
13 brake horsepower is all right for the exhaust, mate. Let's have a look at the graph.
Yeah, it's on touch screen.
On touch screen.
Right, let's print it, because I know you like to do it on your on your doofer.
Okay, so the red line is as it left last time. We've fixed the oil leak and then gone from a 2-inch exhaust to that 2.5, as you were speaking about. And you can see the gains, especially at the top end there, Rich. So that's all got to be flow, hasn't it?
It's all flow. I mean, it's made from 4,000 RPM. It's made power.
Yeah.
But obviously, certainly, basically above 6,000, it really has made some power.
Yeah.
That's where obviously the cams that are fitted will be in their efficiency range, and obviously the original exhaust was strangulating it.
Yeah.
Which was what we advised anyway. So yeah, all round happy, and I'm the customer will be well happy with that.
Yeah, and you're chuffed as well, and it's a nice looking system underneath. So you've got some photographs, ain't you, Rich?
Yeah, I've got pictures of the build and doing it.
Okay, so what we're going to do now for the rest of the video is I'm going to play some footage of this running on the dyno, which sounds nice, and then at the end we'll have some photographs of the build that Rich has done on the exhaust. And yeah, thanks guys, see you soon.